Alright, check it out. Today I'm gonna be doing a video and it's gonna be a two-in-one type of video just because there was a topic I want to talk about and then I'll go on with the unboxing and uh checking out the Nokia. I don't even know what the number is, but it's one of these joints. It's the throwback Nokia. So I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing that one in a little bit. Just give me a minute of your time. I want to talk about open box items just because the Nokia was an open box item. I got it for like $30. I got these chargers for 30 like $40. Got this for like I get a lot of open box items. I try to always look for them when I go to my local Best Buy or any other stores that offer open boxes. So for example, here, let me actually screen record this. If it works, I'll transfer the screen record to the editing. All right, let me find it. Where's the screen record? There we go. Let's see if this works. Media sounds. Sure, whatever. No sound, whatever. No matter. All right, hopefully it's recording. So, for example, at Best Buy, they have this. Usually, Apple items always have open box items. So, for example, this Apple MacBook Air 13-inch, it's on sale currently, so you can see. Its original price is $12.99, and the sale price is $10.99. I don't know why it took me a while to read that, but if you kind of scroll down, you'll see a spot that says open box, and then it says looking for better deal open box options from 1022. It's kind of hard reading it off the screen, but so right here you have like two different options. You can get this one, which is excellent certified, and it's so you save an additional $55 aside from the $200 you already save. With an open box, you get additional $55. Or you can select this other option, which is in excellent condition, and it's a savings of an additional $77. And this is one of the things that kind of I was wondering about other people, if other people go for the open box item. Like for in this case, you save $77. So I would say that like if you're one of those people that want to get the Apple Care, what's it called, warranty, the program, you might as well save those $77 and go towards the Apple Care in a way. Since if you're going to have Apple Care anyways, if something happens to it, even if it's an open box item, you still get covered, So if you cover a brand new laptop or an open box laptop, it doesn't really matter because you have it covered. Now, if you're one of those people that doesn't like Apple Care and you want to make sure that there's no scratches, and you're one of those people that really takes care of their things, that maybe a $77 savings doesn't really matter. So it's just one of those things I always wondered, see if anybody has any opinions on open box items. I usually go for open box items. Let me go back to this. Like for example, I have these that I found open box, and these are just like chargers and things like that. Like they don't always come nicely packaged in. But for the most part, I've never had an open box item kind of fail on me. They usually are in good shape. So, it's one of those things. Like, are there certain items that are not recommended to get open box? Like, for example, hard drives. Because maybe you don't want to find somebody else has something in there. That's the only thing I can think of that I wouldn't get open box. I wouldn't get hard drives or a printer just because there's so many moving parts in the printer. Or I don't know, what else is there? Cameras? People get open box cameras all the time, but I don't know. Let me know. What are your opinions and thoughts on open box items? Because I'm very curious about that. Because I like at the local Best Buy, there's tons of open box items, and I see like people usually go for the brand new ones, but all right, so but I did want to do a quick thing since I did buy this. 65 watts USB wall charger from Insignia. I wanted to see, does it actually charge a 13-inch MacBook Pro with the touch bar. So I have the charger connected to the wall. I'm gonna plug it in to my MacBook and see if it charges. And it does not charge. So if you're gonna buy this for the charger for your MacBook, do not buy this charger because it's supposed to. On the back it says 65 watts output, charges your device quickly and safely, and then right here, works with Apple and Windows laptops, blah blah blah. But as you can see, it is not charging. Here, let me flip the USB to see if that's even a reason. Okay, I switched the ends and it doesn't charge. But if I connect my Samsung, I have this case that doesn't let me. Here you go, I'm gonna charge this. So hell, doesn't want to charge. What's going on? Maybe that's why it was an open box item. I'm gonna have to return this. All right, I'm plugging in. I'm not. Yeah, it doesn't want to charge. The supported USB device. Oh, it kept giving me this message. Oh, hold on. See, when I disconnected and I connected, the connected USB device isn't supported. Huh. Well, good thing I have this on video. Let's see. Yes, has a thing right there. It connects it. Let me see if it's the cable. Let me connect the cable on here actually. No, the cable's not charging. All right. So this Insignia 65 watt USB-C wall charger is not working. Huh. All right, you know what? This was just supposed to be a little interruption of just to kind of show that this works on a laptop. But I'm kind of glad I had it on camera. This is actually the first time I tried, so it's legit surprising that it's not working. Alright, so what I did was, so this is the power brick it comes with, the 65 watt power brick. So I disconnected this long cable that came with it. It's supposed to be an 8-foot cable. So I disconnected that and I put this other USB-C cable that I have laying around. So if I connect that to the brick, let me plug it in. See, if I do that and I connect this to my laptop, it's a short cable, but you got this connected. There you go. All right, so you can see that it is charging right now. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna plug in my phone, the Pixel. As you can see, it is charging and it does say charging rapidly. Here, let me plug in my Samsung. So this one does have the fast charging So it does say it's charging. Let me plug that in again. So fast charging. So I guess maybe the person who bought it, the cable did not work. So it's the cable that's not working. So I'm gonna get in contact with Insignia, and I'm gonna send them a email with bold red letters to see like why is their cables trash. Like I like this cable because I did want a long USB-C cable because I want to have it, like plugged in all the time, and I just need this, and it's the wall charger is at my other place is longer, so I wanted to keep this in there. So I do like the charger because it's exactly the 65 watts and it's cheaper than getting an Apple one. But if the cable's not working and they don't replace the cable, then yeah, I would say do not buy the 65 watt Insignia charger from Best Buy. I will have an update on this. I'll probably do an update video or something like that if there's any changes. All right, just wanted to include that a little bit. I'll see you in the next part with the Nokia. Forgot the number. The Nokia. All right. Deuces.